Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing Morpheme and Morpheme unboxing. So one of them is January and one of them is December. I saved them so I can do them together so it wasn't like the 3-minute video. Before we get started, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome, and if you guys are not new, welcome back and thanks for joining us. If you have not already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out so you can get fun unboxings and some other fun stuff. Alright, let's just jump into this one here. This is December. So this was December's Morpheme brush subscription. So this one was called Happy Holidays. Obviously the holidays are over. Let's just dive into the month of December. So there are 4 brushes. Okay, so up first is this one. It comes with one of these things. Oh, this is huge. Okay, so this is the M553 brush, and this is a tapered blush brush. So it's for doing blush. It's really soft. It's quite flat, which is interesting. So normally I like my blush brushes to be a bit fatter around, like here, just so that it get a whole good swoop. But this is probably really nice for when you're doing like a really detailed kind of like blush, if it's like really bright or whatever. I have a lot of blush brushes, so I'm not like super excited about this, but it is really nice and soft, and I'm definitely gonna give it a go because I could always use some more blush brushes. So next up is this one here, and this is the M458, and this is a 1-inch flat contour brush. This would be perfect for contouring your nose, getting really chiseled lines. It would also be really good for things like if you're doing like a really interesting makeup look, getting into specific areas, that'd be really nice too. If you're doing like a Halloween look, like I meant like specific, if you're doing like some kind of interesting look, you could kind of go in and really use this to kind of do some stuff. So this is definitely a keeper. I don't know how much contouring I'm going to be doing with it because I don't really contour too much, but I do like the fact that it's nice and flat. So there is that. And then up next is this one here, and this is, what is this one? This was the, oh, that's not really nice. Okay, this is the M413 brush, and it's a double-ended brush, so it's got the spoolie on the end, which I really like, and then it's got the eyebrow brush. This is tough. This is not a soft brush by any means at all. So this, I don't know if I do my eyebrows with this, honestly. Feels like it's like a hairbrush bristles, but I will keep it for the spoolie for sure. I don't know how much use I'm gonna get out of this part just because it's very, like, I don't know if you can hear that. That's very, it's hard. And then there is this one, and this one is M531 brush, and this is a Pointed Pro blender brush. This is for eyebrows. Nope. This is for your eyeshadow, and it is perfectly big for really nice crease work. So I absolutely love getting brushes like this. If Morphe had a blender brush like subscription instead of all these face brushes, I would totally do that one instead. My favorite ones are these. These are the only ones I really actually need right now. So okay, so that was 4 brushes from December. So those are the 4 from December. And then let's jump into January's. There are also 4 brushes for January, and January's called Feeling Fetch. And then there's like dog prints all over it, or animal. Yeah, dogs, so that's really cute. So first up is this one here, and this is the M6 Pro Flat Buffer Brush, and that is what it looks like. And this one is for giving your face a flawless foundation airbrushed look. So this is for foundation and or concealer. It's a little bit too big for concealer. I don't really use foundation brushes very often. I am a beauty blender girl, and so I don't tend to use brushes to do my foundation very often, like I said, but it is very nice and soft, and it's dense that it might actually work really well. Then there is this one here, and I'm excited for the next ones. I'm looking at them. So this one is the M434, and this is a blending buffer brush. So this is for eyeshadow, and it is really nice. I really think that this would do a really good job either patting on eyeshadow or blending in the crease really well. It's not like a crease brush, it's like a blending brush, so because of the denseness of it and the smallness of it, it would get into some really good eye work, so that would be really nice. Or it'd be great when you were doing like a cut crease to pat makeup on. And then there is this one here, and this one's a teeny tiny one, and this one is the M455, and this is the detailed bullet crease brush, and this is like a little pointer brush. It's kind of like a pencil brush, you know, one of the little ones. This I would totally use for getting underneath my eye. You can use it to get into the crease and do crease work as well if you would like. I love these ones for underneath the eye. I don't do insane crease work, so unless I was doing like a really detailed look, I wouldn't be using this one for like crease stuff, but it's definitely great for underneath your eye and smudging out things in the bottom. And then the next one and the last one for January is this one here. And this is the M451, and this is the detailed highlighter brush. So that is what it looks like, and of course I am obsessed right now with highlighter brushes, so I'm super excited for this. I literally run out of highlighter brushes every time I do my makeup because I use a different one every time I do my makeup, so I have to wash them a lot. So I'm excited to get a new one of these. I love it. It's perfect for your nose and right here. And yes, so this is perfect. I'm so excited for this. So these were all the brushes for December and January, so that's exciting. All right, so that was everything for this December and January Morpheme subscription unboxing or unbagging. If you guys want to see a video on which Morphe brushes I've gotten in the last, I think it's been 2 years since I've been doing the subscription. If you guys want to see which ones are my favorite so far and which ones I probably could do without, leave me a comment in the comments below and I can make a video for you guys. Well, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye! This one here is the Too Faced White Peach palette. I love this palette. The only eyeshadow I don't really thoroughly enjoy is this one, and it's because although I like the fact that it's a purple sparkly color,